Hot topic yetu ya namhlanje lalelani. Hi Donna, I'm a lady animakore 26. My mother is a pastor. Mama vakamitisa vachiri vadiki, and that's how she conceived my older stepsister. Well, that relationship didn't work for her, so she then remarried and she had us. 3 boys, Nenimskana, the last born. My hot topic goes like this. My stepsister came to me saying at the age of 17, she fell pregnant and mom convinced her to abort. Vakatowuya kunok South Africa where she had the procedure done. Now the issue is my stepsister has been married for 7 years and she has been failing to conceive, which has caused a strain in her marriage. So I was shocked at my sister's request. She was asking me to carry her baby from here in Cape Town. Then she said the husband would come over, then we become intimate and have a baby. She particularly said the husband requested for me. And then she said she will figure out what to tell everyone else. Ani mwana. I am not with the idea, but now my mother has been saying I should go ahead and do it for her. Mama says she feels responsible and she has been begging me to go ahead with this. I am not a virgin, Jangu, but why would I want to have my first baby and give it away? Ndinoramba say kuti muri yangu inzwise kuti andidi. In as much as I feel sorry for my stepsister, how will that even work? Please help, Vedari.
It's a hot one. It's a really hot one.
It is.
So I'm going to let it digest for myself.
Okay.
Would you help out a sister? But clearly she doesn't want.
Yeah.
But my waruti awona kainindi ndakaita sister yako irege utasai kuita vana saka take this one for the family.
Ooh. But is it hers to take? I mean, she can just live her life, forget it, and walk away from the whole situation. I know it
She
could be
could.
an issue. I mean, the sister can go and adopt. There are so many options if you're failing to conceive.
No, she wants a child. And what the heck? Mind you, ngawaiti mwana wacho. What nonsense? Hakuna help yakadaro. And I'm getting another message says if mama feels responsible, then she should do it herself. Why would she expect you to carry the burden? So imagine carrying your first child ever and giving it away to your sister.
Your sister. For the love of your sister.
For the love of your sister and also for the cohesion of your mom. Because the mom is saying, itoita shamwa rugono ti sister yako marriage yukusheka. It's absolutely crazy. Someone says it's not a hot one. It's absolutely crazy. Courtesy of Hamilton Insurance. Hi, you're live on Star FM.
Hey, how are you?
Good. What's your contribution, sir?
Yeah. So I don't know what's happening with our community, but I think people are getting crazy out there.
Zvisingaiti.
Vanhu vakutorwara pfungwa cheko. We are getting mental with each passing day. Yeah. This lady, I mean, I liked what she said. She said, I'm not a virgin, Jangu, but this, I don't feel this is right. So she made a mistake, but I find Ukuramba achipinda into deepness. Zvakaitika. Ende bamukurawo kawo. Vari kutongodawo mainini zvawo.
Because ndo vangaita request ka. Hanzi vakatoti particularly.
Vari kutongorodzawo munhu atongodawo zvake. Atongori neruchiva. It's not even for the sister. It's this guy atoriwo zvake neruchiva. Saka this lady, move on with your life. Family ngayangodzwa ndikuti no, we are never going to discuss this. That's my contribution.
Thank you so much. I'm getting a lot of people saying utter madness. What nonsense. Penga sakile. So you think suggesting unusual adoption would change a thing? Because it won't.
Yeah, it won't change a thing. But you know what? I also believe in as much as it is utter nonsense, there is also the fact that, if if I remember correctly, kuti kudhara kwaitonzi if the sister is failing to conceive, then the younger sister then conceives, which does not make it right.